Is the kitchen at your restaurant clean and safe, or does it just look clean? The National Fire Protection Association, fire officials, and insurance companies all stipulate that to meet code, the entire hood, duct, and fan system must be cleaned and maintained by a certified technician on a regular basis. Some restaurant managers make the dangerous mistake of hiring hood polishers, hired hands who don't know or blatantly choose to ignore established codes. Hood polishers make the parts you can see shine, while ignoring the inside parts you don't see, the places where real problems develop. Their failure could mean a big problem for you. A fire could cause damage to your facility. It could cause insurance cancellation, injury, or even death. It could cost you in fines or close your business down for good. Pro Squared Facility Services provides the highest quality kitchen and restaurant cleaning services, safe, legal, 100% green, and completely thorough cleaning of your hood, duct, and